Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about how to installing and using Poly Haven add-ons in Blender. Let's start. In Google search for Poly Haven. You can download the add-ons from this website or download from Blender Market. Let's see how to install add-ons. Open Blender. Now go to Edit, Preference, Add-ons. Click here Install from Disk. Now click Install Add-ons. OK. Now go to File Path. Here Assets Library, and rename this. I rename Poly Haven. OK. I change the path for download the assets file because I have no enough of space in my C drive. I going to set path in D drive. Here I already create a folder Poly Haven. Finally click Accept. OK. It's set. Close it. Now here go to Assets browser and drop down select Poly Haven. I download all the assets before. If you don't get, click here to fetch assets. See its download here. OK. Let I show small example how to use this Poly Haven assets. OK. Now I open my home model project. Now I add here table. If you don't get, search here. And candle light. And now I am going to add plant pot. OK, I disable the back wall, then you clearly see the assets. I going to add ground for the scene. And tree. Okay, finally I going to add background to the scene. Okay. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.